Hi guys, Sylvia here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my CBSitePRO review. So this is a CBSitePRO review, and in short guys, this software will allow you to create ClickBank review sites. Alright, so as you can see, I am right inside of the members area of CBSitePRO, and in this review I'll give you a walk through this product. We will check out the sales page and the claims they made. This is the vendor who's behind this product, by the way, okay. And yeah, we'll go through the upsells. Here we have the whole funnel, and then I'll give you my personal opinion on whether you should get this product or not. Hold your horses. This may look all nice and fancy and usable, but there's quite a few buts, and you want to hear me out. Yeah, it may turn out it's just another shiny object at the end of the day, no matter how fancy and nice it may look. And also, I wanted to mention, since you're here, you're obviously looking for ways to make money online, and you're looking for methods and something that would start generating you income online. Well, if that's the case, hello guys, I've got a little bit of help for you. Here you will find a page that will give you access to free amazing courses on affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and email marketing, put together by an amazing vendor. His name is Tim Eichels. Okay, what you need to do, they are completely free. Just click on these buttons. No credit card needed. You just sign up with your email address and your name, and the courses are yours. Okay, I got all of them. I checked them out. I've been through all of that. So that's why I am recommending them to you, because these courses precisely helped me started making sales, real sales online. Okay, the link will be in my description box, guys. And now let's go back to the review of CBSitePRO, right? Okay, so as you can see from inside of this, product, that's the dashboard. You will have the number of sites you would have, built, and the number of blogs, number of subscribers, okay. And let me just, here you will have all of the features, to put your site together, to upload this and that, the blogs, and to manage the articles, and you have this ads manager, and even like a client finder. But hold your horses, guys, don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. Don't think this is like some kind of free traffic for you, the infamous free traffic, right? No, you see, depending on the kind of keyword you will put in here, it's going to just scrape some leads from Google for you. But hey guys, do you have permission to contact those people? Okay, you don't. Okay, so this is actually illegal because those people did not opt in. So I would strongly disencourage you from, practicing this this way of, contacting leads, or this way of finding traffic and stuff like that. Here you will have some training, okay. You will have all the training needed. You have a demo video, how to create a website, how to add logo and social links to websites. So basically you will have a bunch of products from ClickBank, not just ClickBank, other platforms as well, like Udemy and Fiverr too, with your affiliate links. And it's very easy. It is very newbie friendly, okay, to promote stuff from ClickBank, because you don't even have to apply for your affiliate link to be approved. You don't have to contact the vendor. You just, ClickBank will just generate an automatically a hop link, so-called hop link, which is your affiliate link for you, and you can go ahead and share this link. And if someone buys from that link, then you get the commissions. Okay, so clickbank is very newbie friendly indeed. But hold on, how are you gonna get the traffic and how are you going to rank with these sites? Okay, you want the answer to it? Well, stay tuned, because I'll show you some things that will be like, wow, this is like nonsense. Okay, like buying this product in the first place. But yeah, let me just finish with the training. So you'll have a video on how to add blog to the website, how to add advertisements. Oh my goodness, English, American, different ways of pronouncing it. Advertisements. Tomatoes or tomatoes, potato, to your website. How to set up sites with WordPress. But hey, how about going to WordPress in the first place, creating a website and just doing all the blogging and all of that from there and going to ClickBank directly? I mean, as if we needed this product, okay, to put it together for us, as if there were no other platforms which will give you this like easy drag and drop website builder, like for example GetResponse, which is by the way free. So here you have all of the templates needed to create a landing page. Okay guys, it is free to start with. It's not only a page builder, okay, but also and obviously one of the most reputable autoresponders, free to start with, up to 500 leads, and you have all of this at your what do they say it for you to use, okay, for free. I forgot the word. Never mind, back to the training. So another video, you can set up sites with custom domains, so you can connect the custom domain, and if by any chance you decide to buy this product, by all means, connect it to your custom domain, because if you were to host it on their domain, oh my goodness, forget it, your site would be non-existent. I can almost guarantee, for that, you would be non-existent, because they would stop maintaining this product and your site would be gone. So that's the training you have, and here all to do with like building these websites. But let me just show you the kind of, from here you set up all of the website settings. But let me show you the kind of website you would be creating with this software. So as you can see, this is the website. This, by the way, is in Polish. Okay, I speak Polish, and this pop-up, if you want that, like popping up on top of your page, okay, you will have to pick up one of the upsells. Okay, so this comes with one of the upsells. This one is in Polish, by the way. I mean, how crazy is that? I speak Polish, so I know. Anyhow, so you see, this is the kind of website you will have. As you can see, is it nice looking? It's kind of like all packed, like jammed all together to me. I mean, this is like some, I don't know, to keep your body fit, and then something to do with juicing, with blood pressure, weight loss, and then some other products. Here's some on marketing, so it's all mixed up, all together, like from different niches, from what I can see. And it's not a good idea in the first place, because when you do affiliate marketing, you need to narrow down, you need to decide what kind of niche you're going into, okay? And as you can see, so to me, it's like all kind of like messy. Too many pictures. I mean, like, what do I click on first? I don't really like it may look like kind of like wow, colorful and all of that, but to me, I was like, where do I go first? I mean, who's gonna check out a website like this? Okay, it's too confusing to me. But yeah, you will have it connected to, like what's the word? What was it called? ClickBank products. So you see you have those ClickBank products here, and like in like, what's the word? These banners will be connected to your affiliate link. So if someone clicks here and buys, okay, this product, then you'll get the commission. You'll have your blogs here, your reviews, the Fiverr gigs, and Udemy as well on top of that. But here's the thing, here's my problem. Let's see, like, let's just open one of these blogs here, okay? And let me see how unique these blogs are. So let me just kind of like copy a bit of it and run it through the plagiarism checker, which by the way is free. You can use it. It's from Google, one of the small SEO tools.com. So let's just paste it in here and run it through plagiarism and see whether this is unique or whether this has been plagiarized. Okay, because it's the #1 factor. Okay, if the content has been plagiarized, then you will never rank in Google. Google will never ever, like, give you any authority. And yeah, you may even get in trouble, get some copyright strikes. So let's see how unique it is. There you go, guys, 100% plagiarism and 0% unique. Da-da. You see, that's my problem here. This is baloney, okay? That's not how you do review websites. That's not how you do blogging. Okay, guys, build your own website with Stone. I mean, there's so many ways of building your website for free or with WordPress, and write your own stuff or use content writers like this Jasper thing is quite popular and quite good, which is like real AI stuff. But obviously it's best if you write it yourself, or if you just need a landing page, sign up with GetResponse for free. You have so many templates to choose from. They're all free, guys, as I said. Okay, and you can build a basic website to start with, right? So that's my problem. Not only is it all squashed and all of that, in my opinion, okay, from different kind of niches, all sorts of products here, but the content would be stolen, okay, scraped from Google, and Google would never rank sites like that, and on top of that you'd get in trouble, most likely, okay, because you're stealing. I don't know if you would, but you could possibly get in trouble and get some copyright strikes. And as I said, like this client finder, again, guys, you have no permission to be contacting these leads, these people in the first place, so forget about that, okay? Learn how to generate your own traffic organically. Learn the basics of affiliate marketing in the first place, and how to, like, later on do email marketing. That's very important. That's what you need to focus on, okay? On how to generate that organic traffic. Learn how to do it. How to create content. You have to do it consistently as well, and prepare for the long game, because, guys, there's no such a thing as making money online like this from tomorrow and all of that BS nonsense, okay? So these courses are amazing. Check them out in my description box, below this review. And last but not least, or maybe it is the last thing I'm gonna show you, but that's what they say, last but not least. That's the whole funnel, okay? So as you can see, as soon as you get the front end for $17, maybe they'll give you some like $3 discount on there was this discount on the sales page, probably $3. Then you'll get hit by the whole funnel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, only 5, thank goodness, because I've seen like 10 and 20 and 30, so it's like never ending story. But that's the funnel in general, so that's the front end. So with this one you'll be able to, you'll get 10 site licenses, okay. OTO number 1 for 47 is the unlimited, so unlimited site license, and it includes the commercial license. And the OTO number 2, the CBSitePRO Advanced for 67. So as I said, you know, that pop-up would come only with one of the upsells, so you can place a fancy pop-up on your review site to automatically create leads. So in order to be able to do that, you would need to pick up this upsell. Okay. And you can translate the review site to 100 languages. I wonder how good how good quality of the translation that would be. OTO number 3, CBSitePRO something profit stream for 37. You can instantly add another income stream to your CB review site and get double income from your review site. I wonder how. I don't know. It's a mystery to me. OTO number 4, CBSitePRO done for you. So for 97, work on one-on-one with our support team, and we will set up and build done for your ClickBank review site for you, marketing. Okay. Yeah, and then OT number 5, the agency for 197. Okay, guys, that's it. So my recommendation is not to get it, not to buy it, not to even, you know, get started with a method like that. Okay, you're better off creating a, you know, landing page, sort of like a site to start with, you know, free tools, free platforms like GetResponse. There's another one, very good one that I always recommend also. You will find the links to those platforms in my description box if you're interested. And the other one was called System.me, also not just like a website builder, a funnel builder, and autoresponder, all of that, very good quality, and those guys are not going anywhere. Unlike, you know, this one, you never know for how long this product will be maintained. And that's just the reality of most of the Warrior Plus products. Okay, and again, you know, like, please just check out these courses. You will find them like amazing. That's all I can say. Alright guys, love you and leave you. That was my CBSitePRO review. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye, have a great day.